And the best way to avoid this problem is to be able to see what you're doing. Because if you get everything aligned straight, it'll pop right into position and you won't break anything. Got an S23 Ultra today with no display, nothing showing up on the screen. The phone is definitely working. However, I'm going to flip it over here. I already have the back off, and if we disconnect these cables and open this up, we'll see why we have no image. So these tend to get damaged when people take them apart on occasion. I'll give you a better shot of this. So this used to be our connector. As you can see, we're missing a big chunk here. This plastic's probably just gonna pop right out, and we're going to use some hot air to remove this. However, we'll have to watch out for these right here, and for that reason I'm going to use very low airflow. I set mine at 35 liters per minute, and I think if we come in here at about 430, we should be able to get this off. Okay, I think I'm going to raise it up to about 450. It's taking a little time here. Alright, that should do the trick and make it easier to melt. Since we've got leaded solder here, get our new piece ready to go. Alright, I think we're pretty well centered. catch is getting it to sit down flat. So I'm going to press here, add a little heat. Same thing down here. And that should have got the middle. Now the fun part, trying to touch this up, can be tricky. There's just not much room. I'll do the easy side first, so I'm going to flip it around. I think we're off here a little bit. I need to scoot this over a little closer to me here. Alright, that looks better. Yeah, I think we're good. Pretty darn close. I can get down in here without burning anything. That's the fun part. Alright, let's get the other side. Less fun. Getting down inside here. Not the easiest. Especially as we get closer to these components. There's one really easy way to avoid this problem, and that is to be able to see what you're doing. So if you can align this, oh look at that, we've got an extra chunk here. Let's get rid of this. Alright, so our flex cable has part of the old connector on it. Let's make sure we get this off. If I can get a grip on this thing. There we go. Alright, ready to plug it in. And the best way to avoid this problem is to be able to see what you're doing. Because if you get everything aligned straight, it'll pop right into position and you won't break anything. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug these in. Flip it over and see what we've got. All right, we have an image. And we've got a bunch of pictures on the screen. All right, so there you go. As you can see, we have touch. I can't show you too much because there's a bunch of photos on here. But I think we are ready to put this back together.